Hi, welcome to Kala's Math World. Today, let's see the topic factorization of algebraic expression. What is an algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is an expression which contains constant, variable, and it can be connected with addition or subtraction like that. So, for example, 4x plus 5y. So, this expression has constant, that is 4 is the constant, 5 is the constant, and x and y are variable. So this can be say as an algebraic expression. Not only this, 4x square or 2xy, all these are algebraic expressions. So this is the algebraic expression with two terms because two terms were connected with symbol plus. Here only one term is there. This also only one term is there. Okay. So we can factorize this algebraic expression. So if you are taking 4x square, this can be written as 2 into x into x, right? So 4x square can be written as 2 into x into x. Just like when we are factorizing the numbers like 4. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So all the expression we can factorize into simple factors, prime factors like that. Okay, so the first method of factorization is method of common factors. So first method we are going to see is method of common factors. So we will check it out what are all the common factors are there and we will take that out and like that we will do this. So method of common factors. For example, we are having the algebraic expression 4x cube plus 12x square plus 20x. So this one we can factorize this term, first term 4x cube can be factorized as 2 into x into x into x, right? So this way we can factorize. Similar way, the whole expression can be written as 4x cube plus 12x square plus 20 can be written as 2 into x into x into x plus this 12x square can be written as 2 into 3, right? 2 into 3 is the factors of 12. X square can be written as into x plus 20 can be written as 2 into 5, right? So all these things we have written as the prime factors. Now, what are all the common factors are there here? So we can see that we have here 2 is a common, here also 2 is there, here also 2 is there. So we have all the three terms of 2 is common and again this here also 2 is there, 2 is there, 2 is there. So we have total 4 as common on the all the three terms. So we can take that common, so 4 will be common. So what is left out here? Here it is x cube is left out and in the second term. So this here plus symbol is there, that plus symbol will directly come here. And what is the other terms other than this common terms? We are having 3 into x, that is 3x square is there. So this 4 we have already written outside. Plus again this plus will come here and what is left out here? Here only 5 is left out. So we have 4x cube plus 12x square plus 20. In this 4 is the common factor and the factor other than common factors we are having x cube plus 3x square plus 5. Let's see another example, that is 9x square plus 12x. So here first term can be written as 3 into x into x, right? Similar way, second term can be written as 12 can be written as 2 into 3 into x. Now what are all the common factors are there here? So here 3 is there and here also 3 is there. So another 3 if you are looking in the second term there is no another 3. Now what are all common factors are there? Here x is there, here also x is there. So The common factors are 3 into x. So we can take it out, that 3x outside, and what is left out in the first term? 3 into x. This 3 and this x is left out. So that will come as the first term inside the bracket. And what is the symbol over here? This plus. This plus will come in the middle. And in second term, we have 2 into 2 as left out. So this 3x we have taken outside. This 3x fully we have taken outside. So 2 into 2 is left out. That will come as the second term. So 4. 9x square plus 12x can be written as 3x into 3x plus 4. Similar way, we can find out the common factors of 49x square plus 4x, 24xy plus 4y, 72y square plus 4xy. So if you have any doubt, you can just message me in the comment box. I hope you can do all these sums. Now let's go for the next method. Factorization using identities. We know that a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So these are all the three formulas we will be using for the factorization. Let's see with an example. Suppose that you have the algebraic expression as 16b square minus 40by plus 25y square. So you are having an algebraic expression like this. So how will you factorize this? So to use the identities, you have to check it out three things. First thing is you have to check it out whether this is having three terms. So using these two identities, a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square, you will check whether your question has three terms, and these three terms should be in this form. So any two terms should be in the perfect square. So if you are looking at the first term here, we are having 16b square. So 16b square, 16 is a perfect square, that is 4 square, and b square is also a perfect square. So we can write this as 4b the whole square. So we have the first term as the perfect square. Similar way, you have to check it out. Any other term is having perfect square just like this. So when you are checking it out, we know that 40by is not a perfect square. So we will go for the next term. So it is 25y square. So 25y square can be written as 5y the whole square. So we are having two terms which is of perfect square, and you have to check it out the sign whether it is a positive or negative. So this square must be in positive. So here 16b square is positive and 25y square is also positive. So these two conditions satisfied. Now after that you will go with the third term. What is the left out term? Now we have minus 40by as the left out term. Now you will check it out. What is the square root of the first term? 16b square is nothing but 4b the whole square. So we are having 4b as the square root. And the next term 25y square, what is the square root? Yes, 5y is the square root. So you will multiply these two, and that is you will be having 20by. So 2 into 20by is 40by. So that is in the form of 2 into a into b, right? Now you will check it out what is the symbol of this one, whether it is positive or negative. If it is positive, then it will go for the first identity. If it is negative, you will conclude with the second identity. This is the procedure. So here in our question, we are having minus in the 2ab part, right? So we will go for the second identity. So we will have a is nothing but the square root of the first term, that is 16b square is there. Square root of 16b square is 4b. and symbol we will take minus because 2ab is having negative symbol, so we will take minus, and the second term will be the 25y square root of that one, that is 5y the whole square. So your answer is going to become 4b minus 5y the whole square. Let's see another example. Suppose that x square plus 6x plus 9. So what all condition we need to check it out? So first condition is you have to check whether two perfect square are there or not. So here we have x square is a perfect square and 9 is also perfect square because 9 square root of 9 is equal to 3, right? So we have first condition satisfied, x square is a perfect square and 9 is also a perfect square. Now you will go for the middle term. Middle term here we are having 6x and square root of the first term is x and square root of the last term 9 is nothing but 3. So we will be having 3 into x and you have to find the double of this one, that is 6x. So all the conditions satisfied. So this can be written as x plus 3 the whole square. Why it is plus is coming here? Because we have 6x is positive. Since 6x is positive, our 2ab is positive. So we will go for the first identity and you will get the answer as x plus 3 the whole square. Let's see the examples. 49x square plus 56x plus 16. So here this is also a trinomial, that is 3 terms are there and we have 49x square is a perfect square, 16 is also a perfect square. So when you are looking for the square root, here we have 7x as the square root and here we have 4 as the square root. So 7 into 4 into 2 is 56. So all the conditions satisfied. So we will go for the first identity because 2ab is positive. So we will go for the first identity and your answer will be 7x plus 4 the whole square. Similar way, this one here, what is the first term? 121y square. So this is 11y is the first term square root and the last term here we have 1. So square root of 1 is also 1. So this 1 is also a perfect square. Here middle term we have 2 into 11 into 1, that is 22. So our answer will be 11y plus 1 the whole square. So when you are looking at the third question, we have 9 here, that is 3 square and last term is x square and middle term is minus 6x, that is 2 into 3 into x. So since the middle term is negative, we will go for the second identity, that is a minus b the whole square. So your answer will become 3 minus x the whole square. Hope everybody understood this method. Let's go with the another identity, third identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So how the question will be there if it is in the form of a square minus b square? Suppose that your formula, that algebraic expression is in the form of difference of the squares. So two terms will be there and that will be in the form of difference. For example, x square minus 4. So here x square is also a perfect square and 4 is also a perfect square because 2 square is equal to 4, right? And these two terms are connected with negative symbol. If that is the case, then you will go with the third identity, that is a square minus b square. So how will you write the product, that factors? So you will add the square roots first, that is square root of x square is x plus 4 plus 2. So square root of 4 is 2, right? So you will write x plus 2 as the first term, first factor, and it will be multiplied with x minus 2, difference of the square roots. So this is the way we will write the factors of this identity. Okay, for example, another example, if it is 9x square minus 25. So here 9x square is also a perfect square. 25 is also a perfect square. So how we can write this? 9x square root is 3x and it will be added to 5 because 25 square root is 5. So 3x plus 5 into 3x minus 5. Some other example like y square minus 121. So this is also y square is a perfect square. 121 is also a perfect square. So square root of 121 is 11. So we can write it as y plus 11 into y minus 11. Hope everybody can do all the sums which is given here. Hope everybody like my videos. If you have any suggestions, please comment me in the comment box. Thank you.